sidong nilay insali-sali dumay. Dongdong ay sidong ilay insali-sali dumay. Alamat, handa, rap. Marami ang nangangamba, tayo pa rin ba ang pag-asa?
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
3% of adult Filipinos said they'd have been personally affected by climate change.
Country's population live in areas highly exposed to climate hazards like drought, tropical cyclones, floods, and tsunamis.
Destructive typhoons to hit the Philippines. Climate change is fueling more powerful storms, severe floods, and droughts as well.
It is here, shaping the very world we live in. Rising global temperatures have intensified storms, caused prolonged droughts, and melted glaciers at alarming rates. Communities across the globe are experiencing floods that wash away homes, heat waves that endanger lives, and shifting weather patterns that threaten food security. The balance of our planet is being disrupted, and the consequences are felt not only by nature, but by humanity itself. But amidst these challenges, there is hope. Here in our community, the mangrove tree planting program stands as a powerful response to climate crisis. Trees are nature's greatest allies in the fight against climate change. They absorb carbon dioxide, the very gas fueling global warming, and release oxygen that sustains life. By planting trees, we restore ecosystems, protect biodiversity, and create natural shields against floods and landslides. The mangrove program is more than just planting seedlings. It's planting resilience, planting protection, and planting a future where our children can breathe cleaner air and live in a safer environment. So let us stand together hand in hand, with shovels and soil and hope in our hearts. Every tree we plant is a promise to heal the earth, to safeguard tomorrow, and to prove that when a community unites, change is possible. Because when we plant trees, we are not just planting roots in the ground, we are planting the seeds of life, of hope, and of a future worth fighting for. Every tree we plant is a gift of life. Through the mangrove tree planting program, we create cleaner air, stronger communities, and a greener tomorrow. Because planting trees means planting hope, growth, and a future that flourishes.
Pagbago ay dapat na sa sarili nagsisimula.